Here's a question on translating shapes which appeared in the 2024 Year 6 SATs. If you'd like to see how to solve it, keep watching. Question 8. Here is a shape. Draw the shape after it is translated 8 units to the right. So we've got our shape. It says use a ruler. Very important to use a ruler. Even if you get these points right, if you don't use a ruler, you will not gain the marks. Okay, I'm going to zoom in for this one. Now, if you're very confident with calculating with negative numbers, you can actually just add. But otherwise, I would just suggest manually checking each one to 8 points, 8 places. So if we look at this point at -3, we would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and plot it in. I'm just going to put a cross. Now you might be able to see that -3 plus 8 is 5. Yes, it gets to 5. -6 plus 8 is 2. But you might have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we translate, the shape looks exactly the same. It's not like reflecting. It's just literally picking it up and moving it. So you might be able to just do some deductions. So for example, I know this point is 1 place to the right, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4 places up. So 1 place to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 places up. I could also check this point is at -5. -5 plus 8 is 3. And then this one here, I can see that it's 2 up from this point at the bottom, and it's 1 space to the right. So 2 up and 1 space to the right. Again, you might have counted, so I can already see, look, I've done that wrong. I've gone 3 spaces up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there we go. It needs to go there. So I made an error there. So it's always good to double check. And once you've got your points in, join them up very, very carefully with a ruler. Okay, then we join the vertices up. Now this is not perfect. It's very hard with a digital tool to create what you can do with a ruler and a pencil. So this, for example, is slightly out, but I can't get my tool to get it over on the computer. On paper though, you make sure that your lines are as close to that vertice as possible, because your examiners can zoom in on a digital screen and the computer can measure any errors, and you only get the tiniest amount of error allowed to get that mark. And this is a 1 mark question, so you've got to be very, very careful that you do this all very accurately.